That's why you're supposed to have slow burning fires in the evening.
Supposed to have what?
Slow burning fires in the evening.
This is slow.
Yeah.
You could make it huge.
Oh no.
Oh.
Don't
I
need
don't
that
think they
big.
see. After, 10 feet they probably would.
That's no.
Nice one.